Hello, today we're going to talk about landscaping at my house. Come on. This right here is a walkway. We've got some flowers growing down here. Back here, the whole thing, we call it the yard. Yard. And just the grass is the lawn. This is the fire pit. This is where we planted all the flowers. And we're still waiting. It's still early spring, so we're waiting. And remember, we used our trowel to dig. We used our trowel to dig. This is the wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. We have a shed. We have two sheds. One for the tools and one for the toys. And in the shed, we have some different tools here. We have a pitchfork, shears, an air pump. This is the lawnmower. It's an electric lawnmower. And this is a pushing lawnmower. You push it. Over here we have a hoe. A hoe. A rake. Rake. And a shovel. Shovel. Over here we have bushes. And we need to cut the bushes. And we need to cut the tree. Spigot. The water comes out of here. And we connect the hose to the spigot. But the hose is broken. I need to go buy a new one at the hardware store. Let's go! This is some gardening stuff at the hardware store. Here's some mulch. Here are some gardening gloves. Oh, and here's the hose. 50 feet.